Hello everyone, my name is Lona Mutsumi and my Chinese name is Fang Ju Tian. And I came here, it's been 3 months since I arrived here and it's been amazing. I came here to pursue my master's in dance choreography. And since I came here, it's been an amazing experience. I just recently came back from Sihan where our school took us to a trip. Where I was blown and amazed by the nature and how Chinese people preserve that nature. It's incredible. That being said, it's just as a dancer, it brings out different perspectives of life. It brings out inspiration and it allows you to be free. And I will be sharing this content with my African people so they can come and experience the beauty of China. And I appreciate the relationship that China and Botswana have because that's how I got here. With that being said, 我爱你中国，再见。